In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build app with Bolt.new. First thing you need to do is to head over to their website, which is Bolt.new, and you should be able to see there a sign up or a sign in page. You can sign in from in there if you already have an account or sign up if you don't have one yet. So as you can see right here, I'm already signed in. I have in here my chats, my subscription, and the likes. So to build an app, you just need to actually chat with their option right here. So for example, let's input right here, build an app that lets me convert text cases. So let's input that right here as our actual prompt. You can also specify its theme, like for example, theme is ocean. And also you can specify right here what kind of fonts you want, how it will be presented to people, and the likes. So as you have right now, you can just click onto this build now option. Then after that, the Bolt new will actually think right here in order to actually create the app that you have. So for this case, just wait for this to finish thinking and the preview of the actual application will be added into this part. So as you can see right here, this will reply with us with the details of the app that we would like. So in here, we can see their actual features. You can just type a text into the input and it will create the app right here. So for this case, you can just head over and open right here this app. And in here, just paste in the input area and the conversion will be created. So in just a few seconds, a preview of that will be added into this case. So just wait for this to be finished. And from in there, you should be able to see the application. So here's the application it has created us. Here we have in here the details for all of the text cases that we have created. So you can proceed to publish this site if you would want. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.